Hi, my name is Chris Swartz, and I'm with Sony at the InfoComm 26 booth. I'm here to talk to you about our new S-Series crystal LED cabinets. This right here is a 216-inch diagonal S-Series wall, and it's new for us because it's kind of a mid-tier option for us in that we have a 1.2 millimeter pixel pitch, which is what you're looking at right here, and a 1.5 millimeter pixel pitch. And the cabinets have a matte finish. And we are also using NovaStar controllers with our S-Series walls as well. Pricing is less than our premium CH and BH walls, so we can fit, for whatever application and whatever kind of price range you want to use. The other notable things about this is the cabinets are a little bit thinner, the cabinets are a little bit lighter, use a little bit of less electricity. This is an 800 nit max product, and then we're also creating less heat and using less electricity. That's about it. If you want to learn more about the S-Series or CLED in general, go to pro.sony.com, and thank you so much for watching your video.